Good morning, guys. Welcome to Mike 392, and I'm out here at Choctaw this morning. Out here at Caffeine and Cars. I just got here. I'm going to start over here and work my way around. It's not a lot of cars out here, but hey, man, I'm going to get what I can get for you guys, man. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Last Sunday was probably the brightest day of my YouTube experience, man. I got to film the Blue Angels, guys. You guys check out my channel. I got the Blue Angels on my channel. That's hard filming cars, going from filming cars to filming those guys because they zipping by, but I did it. I got some good content out of that. So you guys check it out and let me know what you think about it in my comments. All right, so let's walk around and see what they got out here this morning. All right. Got this RS Camaro, like that. Old school. We'll see if I get some cold starts out here. Usually you guys give me some cold starts. I love my cold starts. What's going on, brother?
Okay, that's an awesome car, isn't it?
I like that. It's nice. This your car?
No, I like the color of it though.
That's nice.
I like red ones.
Yeah.
Red or maybe black.
Yeah.
I don't like green. I don't like yellow. It's not my favorite color. That's all the cars I ever had was green or yellow or turquoise.
Gotcha.
Used to have 57 Chevy and they were both turquoise. That's the color people drove with back then.
Oh, yeah. So let me go back over here. I could probably get 2 videos out of this if I stretch it. And I will. I got to get some content for you guys. This is nice. Let's see what time it is out here. It's almost 9 o'clock. It's getting pretty warm out here. Getting pretty warm. I'm down here at Choctaw, guys. This is where they meet up here. Over here near this wine, liquor, and donuts. They meet right around in this area. They used to be over there on the other side, way over there on the other side over there, but they moved it over here about a year ago, I guess.
If it's in here, I think it's in the back of my car.
Got an Audi out here. What's going on, brother? How you doing?
Nice day, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a 454 is ready to go. It's ready for paint. I've got all the parts. I'm just waiting. Single
This car was, you've got this one that'll be fun.
Dude, it's a daily driver.
Yeah, you don't see it very often.
Trans Am, I remember these back in the 80s. First one I seen really got, I really found out about him on the movie Smokey and the Bandit.
That's where it all went downhill.
Good morning, guys. How y'all doing?
Morning.
Whose is this?
This is mine.
Can I get a cold start, please? Can I hear it?
Yeah.
Here, wait. Let me go. Let me get behind you.
Okay.
Work my way. All right. I heard you coming down the street.
Oh yeah.
But I wasn't ready. Now I'm ready.
Ready?
Oh, here. Let me get behind you. Go for it. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it, man. My YouTube channel is Uncle Mike 392.
Uncle Mike 392.
Yes, sir. I'm
All
gonna
right.
have you on there, man. No doubt. Last week I filmed something I've never filmed. I filmed the Blue Angels. That's hard. I got like an hour's worth of content. Then when I get home and edit, I probably got like 15 minutes of action where you can see what they're doing. But this is, I was filming with this.
Oh yeah.
This ain't built for, this is built for this.
Yeah.
Not for something streaking across the sky like that. But it was fun, I enjoyed it. So what year is this?
It's a 1970.
Tell us a little about it.
1970. It's got a Dart Big M block. It's 598 cubic inch.
So,
It's got a built turbo 350 transmission. It's got 12-bolt rear end, aftermarket axles. It's got all new interior. Pretty much everything's been touched.
gotcha.
Just a little hot rod.
I appreciate the co-star too, brother. What's your name, sir?
Chad.
Pleased to meet you, Ed.
Yep,
I'm
appreciate it.
Michael. Pleased to meet you, brother.
Yep. Nice to meet you.
You too, sir. Appreciate it.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Thank you. I'll upload this later in the day.
So it was Uncle Mike
392.
392.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. Check this out. Is this a 42? I think this says 42.
Yeah, I think so then.
You have a car out here, sir?
I don't have to just.
Oh, no, I filmed that first. Okay, gotcha.
When I painted the blue to match the car, or put
I mean, I basically bought my house for the acreage on it.
and
And they
go
were-
black on it, and it would look like vinyl on
Especially the Lux.
Well, and I got online and started looking after he told me. Basically, he's like, I paid $80 a piece for these. I'll take $100 a piece for them, and actually wasn't a bad price. But yeah, but I started looking how much they were selling for, and they were at like a nice set, stainless premium.
Oh, regular donuts like
The only
$1.
other place I
I just went in there a minute ago. I got
All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up and start another one. I'll see you guys on the other side later.
were out here